another new arrival, the 1969 Volkswagen Type 2 bus. Savannah Beige over brown and beige, so it's very neutral in color. Another long-term ownership vehicle, the newer 1600cc flat 4-speed manual transmission, ready to roll, solid Type 2. I never forget my dad's girlfriend's daughters had a Volkswagen bus, and we drove from Salisbury to Ocean City, Maryland, and we went across this bridge, and it was really windy, and that thing was like, I thought
Caught the wind, yeah.
Like a sail.
It got skinny tires, too.
Skinny tires, and that wind up on that bridge, it was a little nerve-wracking.
Is that the camper that's right out here?
No, it's
no.
Okay.
This is more of just a regular old bus.
Type 2 bus.
A Type 2, yeah.